Friends, recently I bought this Spigen's tempered glass for my iPhone XS and today I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. First thing, the price. I got it for around 950 rupees from Amazon and I'm gonna put the buying links in the description below. So if you wanna buy one, please use the links and it will support the channel. Now coming to the features of this tempered glass, it has 9H hardness, which is good. It has oleophobic coating, which is amazing on this glass, as good as native iPhone touchscreen. And yes, the glass is tough enough to protect it from damages. Spigen makes some quality products, so this product also is no exception. You'll definitely get better protection for your iPhone. Now let's see what's inside the package. First, the instructions to install this tempered glass. I'm gonna show you guys how to install this in my next video, so stay tuned for that. Then there is this install kit. It has microfiber cloth for cleaning, wet cloth and some sticky papers to remove dust from the screen. And then the tempered glass itself. This fits very well on your iPhone XS. I'm already using it for a month now. It's working perfectly. No issues at all. You should also know that it doesn't cover the curved edges of the iPhone. But that's not a big issue. If you have a good iPhone case, you should be fine. So that's all you get when you purchase this Spigen's tempered glass for your iPhone XS. I hope this helps you in making purchase decision. In my next video, I'll show you how to install it. So stay tuned for that and take care. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.